Thanks for tuning in, guys. This is Ryder from Chris's Tech Tips. Today in this video is the new installment of the new models series featuring the all-new 2021 KTM SX-F 450.
The KTM 450 SX-F Factory Edition is a championship winning machine, with its development based on feedback coming directly from elite motocross and supercross racers. It's the force behind the success of the Red Bull KTM Factory racing riders around the globe. The 2021 KTM 450 comes with a list of updates, including KTM's connectivity unit as standard, which allows every rider to explore the potential of the innovative myKTM app straight off the showroom floor. Make sure to give me a thumbs up. Definitely scroll down below, click that subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you'll be up to date with my latest videos. Alright, let's get into this. The engine and its compact and lightweight design features a single overhead cam fueled by a highly advanced electronic system, which enables the power to be distributed extremely efficiently through all of the RPM range. Even with its electric starter, this model still is the lightest 450cc engine on the market. The factory edition is fitted with a lightweight, compact, single overhead camshaft cylinder head. The cylinder design focuses on keeping the weight balanced and low, contributing to the overall handling and feel. The overhead camshaft has friction optimized surface and valve timing that delivers impressive responsiveness. The 4 ultralight titanium valves with an intake of 40mm and an exhaust of 33mm are activated via rocker arms. The rocker arms on the intake side are DLC coated for allowing impressive engine speeds up to 11,500 RPM. The crankshaft is positioned close to the center of gravity. It utilizes a short connecting rod, which allows for this compact motor design and a snappier power delivery. A plain big end bearing with 2 force-fitted bearing shells runs directly on the crank pin, with the engine lubrication system providing the necessary oil feed for this bearing design. It enhances overall durability and allows for longer crankshaft service intervals. The engine cases are manufactured using a high-pressure die-cast process that helps with weight while retaining strength and durability. The design allows for optimal shaft arrangements close to the center of gravity, resulting in a lightweight feel and easier rideability. The engine covers features a smart surface structure that reduces wear caused by the rider's boots, keeping them looking fresh. The transmission gear ratios have been perfectly matched to the power delivery of this compact lightweight engine. The engine is fitted with a gear sensor, which provides the option of different engine characteristics for each gear depending on the engine load. An advanced no dirt gear lever design prevents dirt from building up, and together with this gearbox guarantees the next gear is always an easy click away. The KTM engine management system with electronic fuel injection features a 44mm throttle body with the injector positioned for optimal atomization of the fuel, resulting in instant response and maximum performance. The ECU features maps, which have been developed to precisely match the exhaust and cylinder head for regulating traction and launch control. It also provides different maps for each gear according to the information received from the gear sensor, ensuring maximum power as you shift through the gears. Inside the short 95mm bore cylinder thumps a special forged box-in-box piston with a hard anodized compression ring groove and an optimized profile. Its crown geometry is adapted perfectly to the high compression combustion chamber, where its rigid structure and low weight really shine. Thanks to the low oscillating masses, the engine is snappy as it is strong. The multifunctional side-mounted counterbalancer shaft masterfully balances all the oscillating driving forces while also driving the water pump. It effectively keeps the engine vibrations to a minimum, resulting in the smoothest ride. Featuring a DDS, a dampening diaphragm steel clutch that is activated hydraulically by a Brembo master and slave cylinder. The single diaphragm steel pressure plate offers better feel, better traction, and reliability, while the CNC machine basket allows for thinner steel liners for a compact design. Also, a special replica Henson billet clutch cover is fitted to all the KTM 450 SX-F factory editions. The e-starter provides quick and reliable starting, saving you precious time and energy when you need it. The e-starter uses a proven starter drive and a stronger starter motor within easy reach of the left grip on all 4-stroke models. The multifunctional handlebar maps, which feature innovative control functions such as traction control, launch control, and alternative power curves. The traction control is a unique feature that guarantees the most efficient traction and better control when accelerating the bike, especially in challenging track conditions. It can be activated on the handlebar map switch while riding. With a simple push of the 2 buttons at idle speed, the rider can also activate the launch control, ensuring the most effective launch out of the gate. The maps, which also gives the rider a chance to select an alternative power map besides the standard configuration, providing performance options during the race. Maintaining the optimal engine temperature is crucial to ensure consistent horsepower throughout the ride. Features radiators, which are positioned for a lower center of gravity. Their design matches the shrouds perfectly and offers a great slim feel. By using CFD technology, computation fluid dynamics, together with a clever coolant circuit routing, the innovative system ensures the optimal engine temperature for the highest performance, no matter what the conditions. The radiators also feature special protectors. They don't only serve as protection from flying rocks and debris, but also as a brace that disperses energy around the radiators in the event of an impact. The header pipe features a flow design resonance chamber that is seamlessly integrated into the system for low noise and optimal power delivery. The lightweight slip-on muffler delivers excellent performance while ensuring noise levels comply with competition requirements, and they look pretty sweet too. The frame on the KTM 450 is made of professionally crafted steel tubes, which are robot welded for the highest levels of consistent quality and strength. The frame stiffness is designed for optimal handling, comfort, and high-speed stability. The orange powder-coated frame is fitted with color-matching frame protectors and a carbon fiber reinforced skid plate. The cast aluminum design offers low weight and a perfect flex behavior. The single component casting process eliminates any inconsistencies and any weak points created by welding. They feature black DID Dirt Star rims and fully CNC machine orange anodized hubs. Together with black spokes and orange anodized aluminum nipples, they guarantee minimal weight and maximum stability. Dunlop Geomax MX33 tires put the power to the ground using the proven block within a block design. The WP XA-CT48 with their innovative AER technology is a split function fork featuring a capsulated air spring and pressurized oil chamber for consistent and progressive dampening while offering supreme adjustability. Air spring adjustment is simple with the factory supplied WP digital air pump. Featuring a proven setting, the fork is also fitted with a mechanical hole shot device on its right leg. This ensures the proper weight distribution and ride height for getting to the first turn ahead of the competition. The WP shock absorber has been developed with the entire frame and swing arm architecture in mind. It features machine and anodized components and is a valued high-end product compared to other rough cast reservoirs. The CNC factory triple clamps match the stiffness of the frame perfectly while offering adjustability. In addition, the triple clamp is designed for reducing internal friction for better sliding behavior of the inner fork legs. A rubber dampening system also reduces vibration and increases the rider's comfort. A 260mm floating front rotor is matched to a Brembo master cylinder for class-leading stopping power. The fuel tank consists of a lightweight polyurethane with a capacity of 1.85 gallons. The fuel tank cap has an inside thread which makes for a quick, easy closure. The airbox design offers maximum protection of the air filter while ensuring maximum airflow. A strong lithium-ion 2.0 amp-hour battery breathes life into the engine, while adding very little to the overall vehicle weight. The lightweight battery and wiring harness are centralized in a compartment above the air filter box, allowing removal of the subframe without moving any of the electronics. Alright, there it is, the 2021 KTM SX-F 450. Kinda in a nutshell, what'd you guys think? I'm definitely in the market to purchase a new 450 for this next year. I wasn't really thinking KTM after I released the gas video. If you guys haven't seen that, make sure you do. It really opened my eyes up to all these European brands. Yeah, I'm definitely thinking about this KTM. Let me know what you guys think. Also, if you guys own them, definitely leave me some comments on what you guys think. Also, make sure you scroll down below, click that subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you'll be up to date with my latest videos. Alright, with that being said, I'm going to leave you with some raw footage with one of my favorite motocross riders, Chad Reed, in Utah on his KTM. Make sure you turn it up.